All right, it's that time of year again. Holy cow. The whole thing is flooded. Holy cow. You can't see this, but there's about a foot of water that fills this entire parking space. Dude, I've never seen something this bad. Usually it's just an area that's flooded. This is the whole thing. All right, let me get my boots on. I got these at Big Five for $30. And honestly, I could wear these all day. They're very comfortable. Oh. This is gonna be an interesting job, I'll tell you that, because I don't think my pump will be able to get all of that water out in I mean, it would get it out, but it'd take 8 hours. I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. That's how deep it is. Hello. Okay, so this is the sump pit right here. And there we go. Ugh. Okay, got that out of the way. And then okay. This is a lot of water. It actually stops by that Mercedes. And yeah. So it's not the whole garage. It looked like it for a second. All right, we got the grinder pump, Liberty grinder pump, cam lock system. And now we just pop this sucker right in. Right like that. Let me know when you're ready. Let her rip. Is it pumping? I don't think it was, I didn't think we have it all the way open. I think it was getting, right there, over here. All right. I'm gonna try it again. So the way this pump works is you have two cords. One's to the float and one is to the machine, the grinder itself. All right, it's working. Turn it off? Nah, it's going. Heck yeah. It's kind of weird how down here it looks like it's kinked, but I mean it's flowing good, huh?
Oh yeah, it's kinked like a motherfucker.
But it's flowing good, no? Looked like it.
Flow a little bit better.
Yeah. Flowing better? Flowing pretty good to me. It looked like it, at least. Piece of ABS. Yeah, it's going down now.
Well, I'm gonna put all that shit, huh?
Huh?
Maybe you should put that screen on top right there. Catch all the debris.
Good thinking. Good thinking.
The other way, no, scoop that out. No, scoop.
Scoop it out.
There you go, there you go. Now you can let it.
Hell yeah. So we're pumping it out, but it's coming right back in. It's pumping. It's pumping out of here though, that's for sure. It's going. Man, it's raining hard, bro. Dang.
This is gonna be like 4 inches of rain.
Today? Notice this too. This is the stormwater drains. It's all coming right into here. It's crazy, bro. I mean, we're pumping. That's some serious. It's pumping, bro. Wow. It is really raining. Wow. All right, the rain's slowed down and we're just, it's a lot better in here. If the rain will slow down enough, I might be able to get all this water out of here.
That thing looks so tiny.
No, I had the float kicked on. Okay, so you can hear the hum of their pump, the Zoller. Mine turned off because of the float. And if I pull it up, it starts going again. Ow. Okay, we got the power cord off. And the Zoller pump, it's working. It's just, might be clogged or I don't know. Alright, so the bottom of this is clear. Clear as day. I wonder if is there a weep hole in this? You know what, there may not be a weep hole. I bet you it's airlocked. That's not even glued. Look at that, look, it's not even glued. And there's no weep hole. It's not glued and there's no weep hole anywhere. Why would they not glue it? I bet this sucker is airlocked, dude. Got it. Job. All right, we installed a weep hole, cleaned out the check valve, and it appears to be working. Not quite yet. We're almost done, but now we just got to make sure that the discharge is not blocked from here to the street. So that's pretty fun. All right, we'll probably clear that out. But pulled out the grinder pump. We had this guy move, but I think it was airlocked because it's cycling on and off now. Yeah, it's working good now. Working really good. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Nice.
Let it shut off. Perfect. Perfect.